Hello, fair. I'm here. Oh, sorry that noise. I'm here with another video of my HTML4 Let's Play. Oh, I keep saying Let's Play, it's series, not how-tos. I need to stop saying Let's Play, I've been using it too much. Now, today we just have this, so let's add more detail to it. Now, let's talk about. These are tags, okay? You can see it's highlighted. That's a tag. I think they're called subtags. I don't know, but we want to do BG color. You see, if it goes red, then you know it's right. It's not right. Right? Not right. Yeah, you get it. Now, what I'm used to doing, I look for color picker, which is a thing you can get on Google, and you can choose the color here and have it as that. I'm gonna do is get a nice baby blue, copy this. Now you can either use colors like blue, see there's different colors, see like there's different colors, but if you put a hash, you can use hashtags for it. And now if I launch up or refresh the website, it's a nice baby blue. Okay, now let's add more detail onto this site, like proper detail. Let's remove the test. Okay, now let's add H1. Now there are different types of headings. H1 is one type of heading. It's the biggest one you can get. I think there are about 6 of these headings, all going smaller. So you have a heading, subheading, subheading, and yeah. Now, what the heading's gonna be? Test websites. Now, if I launch up the page, you'll see that's now a heading. But it doesn't look that nice right over here, does it? It's like it's just in the corner as being lonely, you know? So let's change that. Inside the heading tag, type in space and put a line. You guys need to do the like these subtags, you know, to see. That's alien. Align, see, it doesn't need to be caps. Okay, so it's align. Now you can give very precise places, or you can just do what I always do, like center. So this will center it wherever it can. So you see, it's now centered on my desktop. I think if I just do this, it's centered as well. Let me get this right again. Okay. Now let's see what else we can do. To add a bit more detail, 'cause as you can see here, it's just plain. It's just there. It doesn't look that nice. Let's add something. I don't know what it's called properly, but the tag is HR. Now the official way of doing it is doing that. That's the main way of doing it. So now there now is a tag here. You can set the color, I believe. I don't know. You don't need that there actually. So refresh. See, I'm refreshing. It's just working. Now, going to color. Yep. Color. Let's go black. Will this work? Yep, it worked. Now you can do other stuff like that. Just do color. Come. I want to get a nice grey, you know. But there, looks all nice. That was won't work. Just add the hashtag. Now this should be a nice greyish. Perfect. Now I just add a bit of detail to your site. Like you can do, for instance, what I did here is I used the HR tag to make these. It doesn't look just plain. For instance, with this, to separate it once it loads. Why is this so slow? I wish I knew why it's slow. is here for, I even split them up with the same tag. So yeah, let's now work a bit more. Now let me show you something here. If you want to add copyright, it's very easily done. Just do an and symbol, I think it is, and type in copy. You can find that in any type of website that's like basic HTML code. HTML commands. I did search this up a while back, so yeah, you can find it at this website. Yep. All the stuff you can do is right here. For instance, copies right here. There's irregular, there's plus, minus. They are all just over here. There's even and omega. Don't know if it will work or not, but let's try it. No, it didn't work. Wait, okay, yeah, I'm not going to try it. But yeah, I think that might be old HTML. But we have that now, it's working. It's copyrights on. That's all you're going to need for now. Now, let's work on like just a body. So let's just work on the body. Let's add a break. Just add a break. Yeah, these are breaks, they just make stuff look a bit better. What I do is I also space like that. Now it's breaks on here, you can see. Now let's add another 2 breaks. You don't need an ending tag with break. You just don't need it, because it's just one thing. You don't need to have an ending. You can if you want, but that's just kind of a waste of time. But yeah, now in between here, let's type in test. Okay, hello YouTube, can't spell tube. Now how does this look? Okay, it's over there. Let's leave it there for this time being. Now let's work on what else. What else can we do here? Not really much if you think about it. I just showed you guys how to get this. So from here to here, I've shown you guys today. That's this. Not that bad if you think about it. I'm adding spaces, try and make it look a bit neater. You don't need to do this, but you can if you want to. There we go. Okay, now hello YouTube. So BR. Yeah, this is another hello. My hands are pretty tight, so it's kind of hard for me to type quite fast. But yeah, now we have that. So let's see what we can do in the next episode. I'm gonna make this a lot better. You guys can see from that website that I showed you, it's just basic HTML commands. Type that in Google, or try and find that website I said. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.